iPhone vlog because I forgot the camera. So we're up here at my cousin's house. We're getting ready for the car meet, which is tomorrow. And Aiden's got his Mustang. He's got the guns out. TJ's got the Beamer and I got the truck. So we're gonna get him all shined up. Mustang's looking good, buddy. Did you get those wheels cleaned up?
I need to get them cleaned up. They're pretty bad.
Yeah, I brought tire shine, so we're good.
I did too.
TJ's got the Beamer out.
Clown Beamer.
And the truck is filthy. It doesn't look it from back there, but you get up close and you can see how bad it really is. All the pollen and just stuff like that. And I live on a dirt driveway, so that doesn't help. But we're gonna get them cleaned up. So right now I'm trying out some different stuff. So I got like a Chemical Guys kit. So we're gonna try out this Diablo wheel cleaner. I've heard good and bad stuff. Tire shine I've been using for a while. We have the soap, citrus, wash and gloss. That's just for the tires if that doesn't work as good, because I know it works. And then I'm out of this, so unfortunately we're gonna be using the instant detailer. See, but you can get all back in there and get it shiny looking, because you can actually get behind your caliper or your wheels. I can't. That's why I need wides. Look at those red brake calipers. That adds like at least 50 horsepower. All right, let's get her dried off. Look how shiny it is. Damn.
I know.
It's because you got the master to work.
Let's go, let's go. Where is Balaka at?
Just gotta dry the tires off. Ooh, get whipped. All right, tire shines on, wheels done. TJ's cleaning up the engine bay. Looks good, because I did it, obviously. TJ's car, he's got the hood popped. See, their engines are all clean. Mine's filthy, dude. All right, time to get started on my own vehicle. All right, guys, it's dark now. We got the lights on, but I got the wheels done. Now we got to do the whole truck. Am I really doing this by myself?
We'll help you here maybe in a second.
Yeah, dude, look at that. Look how tiny, and then look at that thing. Big old Willy Bob there. All right, so I'm gonna clean this up. I'll get a little bit of videos, but yeah.
All right.
Mustang's going in the garage. It's all done. This thing sounds nice. And then I got my manual laborer over here. He's washing the bed. I'm trying to rinse the roof. I actually did get up there for all the haters. So we're gonna try and rinse that off real quick, and then I'm gonna keep working around. All right, everyone's all cleaned up. We're ready for tomorrow. I just gotta put tire shine on this, and I kind of slopped it up whenever I dried it off, but I mean, it's clean. But I'm gonna have to wipe it down again tomorrow. Just get a quick walk here. Looks all right. I definitely want to get rid of that Raptor grill eventually, but I am fixing the lights for now until I can find one at a decent price. Yeah, thanks to Aiden for letting me use his water. We'll be heading out tomorrow. Maybe we'll get some rollers on the highway. If I can't get the rig set up and get someone to drive, I will get them on the phone though. We'll put cinematic mode and all that shit. It'll look good. Yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Like I said last night, truck's all clean, ready to go. Reflection looks good. I actually picked up some speed shine today, Rio's garage, and I got a towel, because mine are pretty short, but it looks really good. Just gotta get the tire shine on once I get to my cousin's. So let's go pick that up. We're ready to go. All right, heading out now. My hood already has a ton of pollen on it, so that kind of sucks. We're just gonna take it slow here on the driveway, and we're gonna get on down there and get ready to go. All right, just making our way down. I don't know how well you can hear me. I have the windows down, but I'm gonna try to get some rollers, get Aiden come out around me here. I used to drag here back in high school. Do you think it was that race we had at Sheets? We got the goods. Yeah, big turbo. Yeah, that is not looking pretty. Thank God.